We don't use syrup here, so curd is the word. So we're just gonna let it go. Hi, this is Steve Sampson from Rossoblu restaurant in Los Angeles, California. Today we're gonna be making one of my favorite brunch dishes, lemon ricotta pancakes. We're gonna be cooking it on this beautiful Miele induction burner. So it's a lot of fun. So let's get going. We're gonna mix our dry ingredients just quickly. Quick mix to our wet ingredients as well, just to combine everything. With pancakes and the like, we really don't want to over mix it. So we're just going to kind of fold it together just until all the ingredients come together. It's important not to over mix the ingredients. You don't want the gluten in the flour to work too much, or else that'll not give you a light and fluffy batter. We're going to be left with just a really loose pancake batter. Should have nice chunks of ricotta cheese in there that'll cook in and melt with the pancakes as they fluff up. That's what we're looking for. So we like to refrigerate the batter, just like with any dough. We really like to let it rest. We also like to give the rising agents, in this case it's a baking powder, we like to give it time to start activating so it rises nicely in the pan when it's cooking. To give a little height to the pancakes, we use these molds. And we're gonna just put like a nice ladle full into each mold. Maybe a ladle full and a half. It's going to rise up quite a bit, so you don't want to fill it all the way to the top. Right about halfway. Really just want to let them sit in the mold so they set nicely. Get some nice crunch on the outside. They take about 10-15 minutes to cook these. They're more like almost like souffle cakes than they are pancakes. As this cooks, just like any pancakes, you'll see it start to bubble on the top. That's a good indicator that it's cooking on the bottom on the way up. I don't want to lift these now because they're still really wet and it'll run all over, but if you were at home making pancakes in a pan like this, you want to let it fill the whole pan. It would probably cook faster, but you wouldn't get that nice a rise on it. Pancakes look set, so I'm going to pull off the mold. There we go, perfect circle. See the little specks of ricotta in there, it looks really nice. In there, it should be really delicious. Pretty much cook it all the way on the first side. So at this point, after maybe a minute or so, it's ready to plate. So we're gonna start off plating here. With this citrus curd. And then we're gonna do the second pancake right on top. We don't use syrup here, so curd is the way to go. Curd is the word. Strawberries right on top of that. Nothing really complicated about this plating. Just some torn fresh mint leaves. Our lemon ricotta pancakes with citrus curd, strawberries, and mint. This is probably my favorite pancake. There's a lot of lemon juice in there, so it comes out really tart. There's also lemon zest in there. And that mixed with the ricotta, it's really good.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you, Steve, for making those gorgeous recipes. For more of Steve's recipes, you can follow at Chef Steve Sampson and at RossobluLA. We'll link them below. And I'm going to try these lemon ricotta pancakes. It's kind of a big bite, but I'm going to go for it. Super lemony.
Yeah, right?
Really good.
Yeah. It's not too sweet, but just the right amount of sweetness.
Just don't even need the syrup.
Yeah. Peace.